Happy birthday, Direk. More birthdays to come.
Hello, Direk Ninong. Happy birthday. I pray for your good health.
Be forever grateful sa'yo dahil isa ka pong tunay na inspirasyon.
Yung nakikita, Director. Assalamualaikum.
And many more years to come.
Happy birthday, Direk Victory! We wish you all the best. Iwas monitor blood pressure sa dami ng trabaho natin. And may this be your happiest birthday ever. Cheers! Cheers!
Happy birthday, Director Vic. Thank you very much for bringing me on board, and wish you all the best. I hope you have many more years to come. We all enjoy working. Happy birthday.
Hello, Direk Ninong. Happy birthday. I pray for your good health, that you eat healthy food, and you get a low blood pressure in your next medical exam.
Happy birthday, Director. I wish you good health, happiness, and success. May God continue to give you the strength, wisdom, and fortitude to lead the legal service. I admire you for your willingness to improve, as well as your sleepless nights. All the best. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Derek. It's been a pleasure working on the service of the guidance. Wishing you more birthdays to celebrate.
Director Vic. Good health and more success.
Hello sir, madilim dito sa background ko. Pero sir, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat na mga natutulong sa amin. Sana po huwag kayong magsawa na tulungan kami at tulungan ng buong Legal Service Bureau of Justice functions nito sa aim na mapabuti ang buong Bureau of Customs. Sir, personally, napakarami kong natutunan dahil sa inyo. Alam nyo yan, lalo na dito sa procurement. Idol na, sabi ko nga lagi, ang galing talaga. Hindi ako yung taong mahilig bumate. Pero sir, ang galing. Pero sir, wag po kayo magsawang tulungan kami. And more birthdays to come. Kasi more and more birthdays to come, sir. Enjoy po.
Happy birthday, Direk. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, sir. Wishing you good health and happiness. And I'd like to thank you for all the support you have given me throughout the years. Happy birthday.
Happy Happy birthday, Ninong Vic!
Another year in your life means another chapter is waiting to be written.
And we are very excited to see where your story leads you next.
Kaya naman, kahit alam namin kaya-kaya mo maging main character,
Kaming mga supporting actors ko are behind you 100%.
happy birthday, Ninong Vic!
May God bless you with good health.
One hugs and
Many more years to come.
Love you!
Happy birthday, Direk! We will be forever grateful sa'yo dahil isa ka pong tunay na inspirasyon. Hindi ka lang po matalino at magaling. Mabait ka pa at may malasakit sa lahat. Nadagdagan din po ang saya sa opisina dahil sa'yo. May God bless you with good health always. Again, happy birthday, Direk!
Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday sa'yo, Direk. God bless always. Happy birthday po, Director.
Hi, Director! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Director Victor Trinidad. Kalimutan niyo na po muna yung mga nagpapainit ng ulo niyo sa mga nagbabiolate ng data privacy. Mabuhay ang mga Batanggenyo.
Boss, birthday. Wishing you many birthday to ma'am. Inom naman tayo minsan. Hindi na tayo nakakapag-inom pag-ayaw ng lahat ng pakasisi. Kahit sa gilid-gilid lang ng pantry. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Director. You set the high standard for everything. Sometimes it's intimidating, but most of the time it's very inspiring and it's a learning experience. Happy birthday po, Direk. Stay healthy po. And alam, Direk, kulang po kasi kami ng Char. Happy birthday po!
Birthday, Direk. Wishing you a birthday filled with love, laughter, and all things that makes you happy. Happy birthday again.
Mafia Rakitika, Director. Assalamualaikum. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po, Direk. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday po, Direk. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Direk. More birthdays to come and may God bless you always and good health po palagi.
Happy birthday, Director! We are grateful for your support, especially for our developmental growth. You have been leading us and for your dedication to work. May the years ahead bring you continued success, good health, and many more reasons.
Not just to greet you, but also to thank you for being a good father figure to our legal service family. We would like you to know that we really appreciate all your effort, dedication, hard work, and support. Thank you for your encouragement for us to learn more about AI. I hope and pray to God that He will bless you. Good health and long life so we get to celebrate more birthdays with you. Happy birthday, Direk. Bless you.
Maligayang kaarawan po, Direk.
Happy birthday pa, Direk. We appreciate everything you've done for the Bureau. Maraming salamat po sa mga efforts and systems na in place nyo dahil sa inyo susundan at na i-enact natin ang gusto ng ating Pangulo and na tutulungan natin ang taong bayan. And I hope na sana maging healthy po kayo and mag-serve po tayo ng matagal dito. And I just want to remind you that in anything you do, nandito lang po kami. Batan niyo po kami lagi. Happy birthday po ulit, Direk. Have a good one.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Na po, Direk. Happy birthday po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Tulong na po na binibigay sa amin. Happy birthday. Salamat po.
Hi, Direk! Wishing you a happy birthday. May all the good things comes to reality at lahat po ng pinag-pray ninyo sa inyong pamilya at para sa inyong sarili at para sa legal service ay naway ito pa rin ng Panginoon. God bless you, Direk. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir. God bless.
Happy birthday, Direk. For birthday to ka. God bless you po.
Happy birthday, Director Victory.
Happy birthday, Direk.
Happy birthday, Direk. God bless you po.
Happy birthday, boss. Maraming salamat po.
Happy birthday, Direk. From your family to Division family.
Happy birthday po,
Happy birthday, Direk, from Happy Division.
Happy birthday, dear Victorinidan.
Happy birthday po, Direk. For birthday. Ulit.
Happy birthday, sir. Wishing you good health, happiness, and
Happy birthday, Direk. Wishing you happy birthday.
hello, Direk. I'm
Happy birthday po, boss Direk. Maraming salamat. Galang-galang. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Direk. From your family.
A few moments later.
From your
Happy birthday, Director. We are grateful for your support, especially for our developmental growth. You have been leading us and for your dedication to work. May the years ahead bring you continued success, good health, and many more experiences. Nagugulo lang.
Baka magkamali, bulol kami.
Sige daw, type ko.
Hello, Direk. Happy birthday. Thank you so much po sa efforts niyo dito sa Bureau and appreciate po namin ang efforts niyo.
I pray for your good health and lots of cheeks. Joke lang.
One eternity later.
From your Tax Division family. Happy birthday, Direk. God bless you.